One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello everyone, this is Silky Chauhan and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this look for all those ladies who are working from home and often have to attend meeting. I hope this will be helpful for you. So let's get started. So at first I'll tie my hair because I don't like they came on my face while I do my makeup. So before applying makeup, we're gonna prep our skin. So for that I'm using this toner and this is from Good Vibes. Now I'm using a moisturizer and it's the best affordable moisturizer in the market. Now I'm using a pore filling primer and this one is from Stay Quirky. It's very good primer. It's a silicone based primer, so it fills your pores very well. Next I'm gonna do my eyebrows and for that I'm using this Miss Clear eye pencil and this is in the shade 02 dark brown. And I have cut on my other brows, so I have to make them look same, which is little difficult because वो cut को manage करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But yeah, it's okay. So next I'm using this foundation and this is from Maybelline. This is from Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 128 warm nude. So it's a very medium coverage foundation, good for daily use, so you can use it. And I'm blending it with the blender, beauty blender, जो कि मैंने wet कर लिया है already. And now I'm using this Darling Isabella concealer. And I will apply it only on my eye area just to brighten up a little bit and just to look more presentable and awake. So now moving to our eyes, here I'm using a pink shade, but you can use any neutral shade that you want, like brown, coral, pink. After that I'm taking this black shade and उससे मैं एक wing create कर लूँगी because I want that black smoky effect on my eyes. So yeah. If you want to apply liner, you can do that as well, but I think smudge black look will look more better. Now I'm using this lash color and I got it from Shein. So with the help of this, I'll uplift my eyes and then I'll use mascara. And this is from Maybelline Push Up Drama Falsies mascara in the variant waterproof. Now it's time for blush and it's my favorite part. So for blush I'm using Sugar Cosmetic blush. After that I'm applying this lipstick. This is from Maybelline Nude Nuance. At last I'm gonna use a setting spray and this is from NYX. So here's my final look and I hope you like it, and if you do, please you know what you have to do, like, share, comments and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, I'll see you at my next video and always remember to take out some time for you because it's important. Bye.